像哦。我的名字都是哪里吧？因为新闻那个现在长不太一样。
介绍一下，今天的装备这是装备是什么？
然后有一个跟那跳了。
还有啊，你的书包里还有那个牛呢，很高。
好吃，好吃，好吃，好吃，好吃，好吃，
好吃。
好不好？OK，再见。耶，到了！哇，你还转身，好怂哦！你好像一个怪兽。
That's me. 2 adult, 1 child. Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Cool, thanks.
Today's we need to listen for mine and Sherry's barking instructions, but basically that's them. Life Rut Rafts is up on the top here, but our muster station is...
给船看的、啊，这样才能知道我们在。你好啊，是不是有点可怕、啊？
Up there.
对，都比船还大，应该空举，要用望远镜看。
我其实不用望远镜，它比船还大。
你看他在叫我，很大声的。很酷吗？章鱼很酷吗？不是章鱼啊，金鱼啊！哇哦！看到金鱼了。 但是晕船了。在评论这个 tour 之前，可能要先休息一下，浪太大了，好想吐。冷，我好晕啊，好想上岸。
Thank you. Watch your step, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
In the car. Around the world.
We'll put a brewery right here, it'll be very cool. That way everyone can go on the jetty, have a big long walk, come back. Artists and kind of, I guess, just creative types to come out to different breweries and venues. And follow me, guys. We'll go through to the brewery. So we have the malted barley, and that gets mixed with, let's say we're doing a red ale, we'll use the, and it will start flying into the mash tun, this one here. So the grain and water mixes together, and it will sit in here. One people start to wonder, that's something different. So this is where the beer sits and gets ready to be sent off to keg or to Perth. So the ones at the cone bottom, these are our fermentation vessels. So these.
现在他拿桶子里最新鲜的喽。
There we go. Thank you. Try a little bit. Cheers. Cheers. So this is like one of those German, they call it.
好，好吃，我想要先吃，可是我有虾子，说到底先吃虾子哦。那我们更不用再帮手买。
对啊，对啊。
现在的是什么？
现在是往上滑。
不是先不要 skeleton 耶。
There you go. Pretty good. We need to stay.
Welcome to Gustafton Jetty. We are sure you'll enjoy your train trip over the waters of Geograph Bay. Where else in the world can you have this experience? A couple of things to keep you and your fellow travellers safe. This is a jetty that the train shares with other people undertaking many other activities. Please stay seated throughout the journey, including children. Other vehicles use the jetty, so keep arms and items inside the carriages at all times.
Dr. Preston Express, our little electric train. My name is Ray, and I'm going to take you all the way to the end of the jetty here today.
The train will be leaving this platform in 8 minutes.
Rail winds damaging part of the jetty. Close to 3,000 people came down to see the original damage beyond repair. Many